everybody. It's about 4 o'clock p.m. and this is Thursday, November the 13th. You know that 2 weeks from today is Thanksgiving. Can you all believe that? 2 weeks from today is Thanksgiving. This is Thursday, the 13th of November, and Stephen is just literally passing through. Here is his laundry bag. He's got 2 weeks worth of laundry, he said. He has to be in Sweetwater, Tennessee tomorrow morning. Oh, he's got the Dino trailer. This trailer is named Dino or Dino because this thing here is zip tied on. Somebody at the Gentry Yard zip tied this thing on, so they call it the Dino or the Dino trailer. So hello there, T-Rex. I guess that's a T-Rex. And yeah, it's on there. It takes a ride with a trailer. It's on there. So this is a replacement trailer that they brought. If you are following our channel, you know that Stephen had some issues with the previous trailer and they had to bring a crane out and get a new trailer. I mean, the crane put the boats on this trailer. So anyway, he literally, we're going to get his laundry done, and then in the very early morning, he has to be down. Tim Gentry is 5 hours away from us, so we're going to do that. I was supposed to go to Madisonville, Kentucky tonight to pick up my brother-in-law, and that's a long story that perhaps we'll share at a different time. It's just a very long and complicated story, and it's disappointing. So I really thought that I would be picking up Stephen's brother that I have never met in 22 years of marriage. Thought I'd be picking him up and he'd be moving into the RV tonight, but that doesn't look like it's going to happen, and that is a very long and drawn out and complicated story, which makes me very, very sad. But yeah, so just a very, so Stephen is not even unhooking the truck and trailer. He doesn't like to ride with me, not even around the corner, so he gets to be my passenger. We just live right around the corner, so he's gonna grab his laundry bag and hop in the F-150 with me, and he's gonna leave this hooked up, and because I mean he literally is just passing through. You're just passing through. Blow the horn for everybody. Whoa! And then what's the other one? All right. So we got Stephen's bag, and oh, you want to see? Oh, you want to feel like what the new tires feel like? You mean, and what it drives like? Oh, he just doesn't want me to drive. He doesn't like to be the passenger. He doesn't want.
I changed the oil in that thing. It's been running like crazy.
Oh, are you gonna leave it on like that? You're gonna leave that on? Is this really 2 weeks worth of laundry? What? You don't need your other bags? This is all you need?
I was gonna get my shaving kit.
You go get your shaving kit and your medicines too.
I'm not gonna be here long to take my medicine.
He just doesn't want to ride with me. But we do have new tires on the pickup truck. We have new tires on the pickup truck, and he wants to see what they're gonna feel like. I hear horse hoofs. Where's the horse coming from? Because they're just going in the opposite direction. So we're just.
Look nasty.
They look nasty.
Yeah, they've never been washed.
No, I haven't washed the tires. No. We just got them on last week.
Well, why, that was the first thing I would have done. Was have washed them. Where'd the key go?
You,
Huh?
I didn't. You didn't give it to me. Did you? You didn't give it to me. You didn't give me the key. You didn't give me the key. When we get to Hendrick Street, if you'll stop and let me get the mail, I haven't been home all day. I haven't been home since 8:30 this morning.
That's the way she is, ladies and gentlemen. She gets up, gets her pants on, and is gone all day.
Stephen, that's not always true. I had some meetings
Every
today.
day.
No, that's
she
not.
puts 300,000 miles on this truck a year because she run around Ruthie. That's her nickname.
Stephen, I have had all kinds of things going on in Katie's in Hopkinsville today, and I haven't been home since 8:30 this morning. And now it's almost 4 o'clock p.m. Got 1 hour left of daylight. All right, you all, that's going to do it. We're heading back to the house, and so Stephen is literally just going to be in to do laundry. That's basically it, just to do laundry. And then you're leaving out from the Tim Gentry yard in the morning, right?
I'll be in the Tim Gentry yard in the morning.
And then you said you're going to Texas?
Yeah.
Whereabouts in Texas?
San Antonio, I think.
You're going to San Antonio. All right, well, that's our news, everybody. And we'll update you later. And I guess Stephen will make a video about going to Texas from...
Yeah, and then I got to pick up those parts. And next time I go through Missouri, I got to take them back. $1,000 of parts. $992. Because it was the wrong axle size.
Oh, yeah, go ahead and talk about that real quick.
They gave me parts for a 12-ton axle, and that's actually a 10-ton axle. So
$1,000.
they had 3 guys working the counter and getting parts, and they got confused somehow. Anyway, so I got to take them back. I called them, and they said, "Oh, no problem. We're glad you're back out on the road." I said, "All right, I'll see you when I get there, whenever that is. Hopefully I get there before the year is over with."
Yeah, $996 worth of parts. We don't want to be stuck with those. For sure.
They'll take them back.
Well, that's
The wheels are still pretty heavy, but it drives better.
All right, everybody. We'll talk to you all later. We're like literally just almost at the house to get the laundry done, and Stephen will probably update you all tomorrow from Tim Gentry's yard or something like that. So, bye for now. Tell everybody goodbye.
Later.